Winter is definitely synonymous with sluggishness for most people. If you find yourself sleeping more and going out less, that's completely normal. But some of the fatigue you're feeling may not be the weather. More often than not, there are lifestyle factors that even the best of us overlook. That's why today we're sharing 5 ways to upgrade your energy. Even just one of these tips will make a significant difference in your energy levels throughout the day. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and play the bell icon next to it. So let's start the video. Number 1. Reduce or eliminate sugar and refined carbohydrates. You don't have to completely eliminate them, but be mindful of your consumption. Sugar and refined carbs, like white bread, white rice, and even alcohol, cause blood sugar spikes. You'll feel wired and happy right after consuming them, only to have your mood and energy tank a short while later. After you crash, you're likely to reach for more of that quick energy to boost yourself back up only to crash again. This damaging cycle taxes your immune system, and destabilizes your mood, which ultimately leaves you feeling worse. Try seeking out alternative options for your favorite treats like our sea salt brownie bites or oatmeal banana cookies. There are also lots of alternatives out there for your favorite drinks like our vegan eggnog and mango lassi. These swaps won't leave you inflamed and exhausted. Number 2. Ditch the wagon. You know the old term "fell off the wagon." This outdated mentality has probably kept you in a cycle of shame and yo-yo dieting for a long time. Ditching the wagon means taking the opportunity to learn from your so-called slip-ups without piling on the guilt. Instead of punishing yourself for eating things that don't feel good, get curious about your experience around food. All that guilt and shame is life-depleting and energy-sucking. What if you could spend the time you spent criticizing yourself on uplifting yourself? Learning to transform food guilt into supportive thoughts will give you an instant energy upgrade. Number 3. Take breaks to breathe. Taking short breaks throughout the day to focus on your breath is a great way to reduce stress. Chronic stress drags down your energy and keeps you stuck in a survival loop. Breathwork reduces your heart rate, relaxes your muscles, clenched jaw, anyone, and helps you find your center. When you remember to breathe, you pause. In the pause, you create an opening to start to notice how you feel in your body. This is Joe's favorite exercise for releasing stress and pain from the body. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath up into your chest. Feel the breath in your chest. Now scan your body. Find a spot that needs attention. It could feel tight, it could feel numb, or it could be a spot in your body you criticize or neglect. Put your hands on this area. Now focus your breath into that spot. Take 5 deep breaths into that area. Ask that area what it needs from you. Be willing to listen. Slowly open your eyes. You're done? This breathing exercise will help you connect to your body, reduce stress, and boost your energy immediately. Check out our guide to simple self-care for another 5 minutes energy boosting breath exercise. Number 4. Stay hydrated. We talk about this simple tip about 100 times a day when we're coaching. People's fatigue is often caused by dehydration. Staying on top of your water intake is one of the simplest things you can do to keep your energy up. Skip that dehydrating cup of coffee and drink more water. Try to drink half-3/4 of your body weight in ounces of water per day. If you want to spice up your water routine, try adding cucumber and mint to infuse some flavor into your water. Number 5. Identify and eliminate allergens. This is our one tip to increase energy. Most people who are new to the conscious cleanse are adamant that they don't have allergies. It's estimated that a staggering 90% of people have some kind of allergy or sensitivity but don't know it. This is probably because allergy symptoms aren't always obvious. Signs you might have an allergy sensitivity include depression, asthma, anxiety, dark under eye circles, joint pain, and hyperactivity, just to name a few. It can get even more complicated as you age. As you get older, your body might start to react differently to foods you once digested with ease. Thankfully, it's not that difficult to identify the foods you're reacting to. A program like the Conscious Cleanse cuts out the top food allergens to give your body a rest so you can successfully reintroduce these foods later and discover what's causing your symptoms. Once you take out foods that you're sensitive to, you will start to feel like you have boundless energy. You don't need another supplement or drink to feel energized. Your body makes its own energy when you take out the roadblocks and feed it the right fuel. These changes sound simple, but we know from experience that we all need a little support and TLC to make healthy habits that stick. We certainly do. Social support is an important factor in people's success when making changes. That's why we created the Conscious Cleanse. We're here to cheer you on, keep you accountable, and help you customize your new habits so that they last long after the cleanse is over.